In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app and downloading perfect theme for you. Just click on the best one. Select download. Hit customize and adjust all of those options, or tap on apply right away. If you see this pop-up, tap on don't apply and pick different theme, or hit got it, either way. Now wait and tap on home button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my theme was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by accessing the same app. This time selecting my account at the bottom right corner and hitting themes. Then tap on classic or limitless. Hit apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!